SC Verma solution, chapter 3, question number 10. From the velocity time plot shown in the figure 3e5, find the distance traveled by the particle during the first 40 seconds. Also find the average velocity during this period. The given graph is here. Looking to the graph, we can see from time t is equals to 0 to t is equals to 10 seconds, velocity increases linearly. Here we can see the velocity increases linearly and the velocity has positive value, and at t is equals to 10 second, the velocity is maximum, that is 5 meter per second. From t is equals to 10 second, velocity decreases linearly but the velocity is positive. That means from t is equals to 10 second, the velocity decreases linearly but the sign of the velocity is positive. This means still the body is moving in positive x-axis. Velocity decreases linearly but the velocity is positive, so still the particles moves in x-axis or in the same direction. Now at t is equals to 20 second, the velocity of the particle is 0. Velocity of particle is 0. From t is equals to 20 second, the velocity of the particle is negative. That means the particle returns in the x-axis, or the body or the particle starts to move in the negative x-axis and start to move in the negative x-axis. Here from t is equals to 20 second, the velocity further decreases to negative value. That means the velocity as the sign negative. This means the body starts to move in the negative x-axis. The velocity is negative. The velocity in negative x-axis increases up to t is equals to 30 second. That means up to this d point, where v maximum velocity in negative x-axis is minus 5 meter per second. From t is equals to 30 second, the velocity of the body decreases linearly in negative x-axis, because the magnitude of the here after t is equals to 30 second, the magnitude of the velocity decreases linearly in the negative x-axis, and finally the velocity of the body becomes 0 at t is equals to 40 second. Here from A to C, the body moves. Here we can understand from this language, from A to C the body moves in the x-axis, and from C to E the body moves in negative x-axis. Now displacement in the time interval t is equals to 0 to t is equals to 20 second will be given by the area of the triangle ABC. Therefore the S1 is equals to displacement in time interval 0 to 20 second is equals to area of the triangle ABC is equals to half into base into height. Base is 20 and the height is 5. Therefore 50 meter, S1 is 50 meter. Here the displacement is written in positive sign because the displacement here in this time interval is in positive x-axis. Again, the displacement in the time interval 20 second to 40 second, here from 20 second to 40 second the body moves in the negative x-axis, so here the displacement will have to be written in negative sign. So here displacement S2 is equals to area of triangle CDE is equals to minus of area of triangle ABCDE. Therefore it will give minus half into base into height is equals to minus 50 meter. Here minus because body moves in negative x-axis. Now thus displacement is equals to first displacement plus second displacement. First displacement is 50 and second is minus 50. Therefore the displacement of the body is 0. Also distance traveled by the body will be given by magnitude of the displacements. Magnitude of S1 plus magnitude of S2 is equals to 50 plus 50 is equals to 100 meter. Therefore the distance traveled by the body is 100 meter. Again, average velocity in the time interval 0 to t is equals to 40 second is equals to total displacement in the time interval divided by total time. the displacement is 0, therefore the average velocity is 0.